welcome back to JustKetoUk. If you're looking to cut down on your sugar, stop eating banana, mango and date. So keep watching the video if you want to know more. By the way, this is my hair, my 4C hair. This is my hair, natural hair. This is my 4C hair. Beautiful natural hair. This is not a wig, this is my hair, and it's growing back because of the keto diet and the low carb diet. So this is the result in 7 months. So if you want to have beautiful hair, try the keto diet, try the low carb diet. It's easy as that. Why don't you want to try? And today I'm super happy because it's my mom's birthday. My mom, she lives in Italy, in Verona city with my brother. Hello mom, hello brother. So I'm so happy, really happy, because it's a beautiful, you know, when somebody have the birthday or, you know, celebrate something like that. So yeah, if it's your birthday today, happy birthday to you as well. So let's put the music and the video and the picture of my mom. I'm going to start with the keto not approved fruit. For example, banana, date and mango are too much in sugar. I know that banana is so good because of the potassium, but unfortunately it's too much sugar on it. My beautiful grapes are not good for keto diet. And also other type of fruits that are like red color or, you know, violet color. For example, plums are really too much sugar, unfortunately. But I know that watermelon is good. It's good for a low carb diet because it's sugar. There are some sugar on it, on the watermelon, but they are not too much. So you can sometimes eat watermelon if you want. Let's go back to which fruit are really approved in the keto diet. I don't want to make this video too long, so let's go straight to the point. Then we have berries. Berries are really good for keto diet, but of course you have to moderate. You cannot eat the 1 kilo of berries, so no, you cannot do that. But you can eat some berries sometimes, maybe twice a week is okay. So yes, we have berries. Then we have avocado. We don't know if avocado is a fruit or vegetables. Anyway, I don't care. Avocado is really good in the keto diet. We have a lemon and lime. They are really good as well. You can make some juice with the water and you sprinkle a bit of lime and sweetener. It's really refreshing. And then we have tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are really good in keto diet. Of course, you cannot exaggerate with them, but are really good. They are not too much carb and sugar on it, so you can eat tomatoes. And then we have cassava melon. Very good, especially in the summer. If you want to eat some type of melon, try to eat cassava lemon. Then watermelon I told about before, so it's really good. Of course, you cannot exaggerate with the watermelon. Then we have cantaloupe. Cantaloupe melon is a type of melon as well, and honey draw is a type of melon as well. And then we have coconuts. Oh god, coconut are keto best friend. Really rich in properties and nice, very refresh. I can even drink the milk of coconut. I really love coconut milk. So refreshing, delicious. You can make some cake with coconut and other stuff. So you can also eat pineapples once in a while, because pineapple are a bit okay in the keto diet. Of course, you cannot eat pineapple every single day, but you can eat pineapple once a week. It's okay. Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't exaggerate with the fruits. Stick to the simple fruits. So don't eat too much fruits in the keto diet. Be healthy, eat healthy, because we are what we are eating. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends. Alright, thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.